it's Lens Addict here. I saw on Ozbargain that the Google Home Hax is on sale for $199. So I got not one, but two of them. I got one in white and one in black. So today we're gonna unbox both of them. So let's do it. On the underside of the box, we can see a manufacturing date, and it looks like a region. So that's nice to see. Let's unbox the black one first. And I think there's another pull tab around the back. So we'll pull that pull tab as well. Look at that. Nice packaging. Google Home Hax. Alright. What is cool about the Google Home Hax and the little mat that it sits on is that it magnetically attaches. Oh, that's nice to see. On the back, there is a microphone mute switch. There is some model info and power, a button to reset it, and USB-C, as well as an auxiliary input, which is always nice to see. You can plug in a record table or your favorite device that has a 3.5mm jack. Looking through the box, there's an Australian power plug, which is nice to see considering I live in Australia. And there is also looks like a guide of some sort, so let's have a look what's inside there. There is a guide that says let's get started. It says plug it in and get the app. Okay, that's cool. There's a get to know your Google Home Hax guide. Looks like it talks about the touch controls and the orientation and some OK Google commands. There's also a safety and warranty guide. That's nice to see.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
A nice thing about the packaging of this product is that it's all cardboard, so it should all be recyclable. You could pretty much recycle almost everything here, which is super nice for the environment. Now we will unbox the white Google Home, which I'm sure will be the same, just white. Let's go. Some noteworthy differences are the pad that goes underneath is a different color, and so is the power cable. It's kind of green. Interesting to see. We can see 2 microphones towards the back, and there's also 2 microphones on the back for the horizontal position as well. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for next week, where I'm going to do a proper review of the speakers, including some sound quality tests and stereo pair. Thanks for watching. See ya.